Right, so this is our room, isn't it, Claire? Claire's hiding behind the door. So you get two, what are they, queen size beds? Two queen size beds. You get a big mirror, a table with chairs. You get lots of storage options as well. So you get two big drawers on this side. They're pretty big. They put a spare blanket in here as well. You've also got 3 drawers under this. This pulls out to be a bed. That was the bed, not me. They've upgraded the tellies as well. I can't push that up, can I? You're gonna have to do that. They've upgraded the tellies as well. Really big telly, isn't it? Smart TV as well. But they don't let you use the smart options. The remotes are like a bit strange. And then this looks like another set of drawers, but it's actually not. It's actually a fridge. You get a fridge. Get a coffee machine as well, with coffee. And you get Coffee Mate as well, which is really nice. I love Coffee Mate. And then you get these sliding doors, which you open, and then you've got a dual sink area here, which is really good. So you can use a sink each. There's storage underneath, a nice big mirror, and also a little mirror for you to do shaving or makeup, whatever. You've also got a safe as well, to keep all your valuables in. It's quite a nice size safe. You also get an ironing board, lots of hangers, you've got some spare pillows, and then in the bathroom just got the usual stuff, toilet, bath. They've changed it now. You don't have the shampoo and the conditioner in little bottles. It's all like dispenser ones now, which is a shame because everyone used to like taking the Mickey shampoo, didn't they, Claire? You used to like taking that home with you. And then you've also got another drawer in between the beds and a telephone as well. And you've got AC as well over there. And the middle button on there does the fan. So you get a nice big fan as well. The room's really nice. It's pretty much the same as when we last stayed. The only thing they did change was the dispensers and the TV. But it's really nice. We'd recommend it, staying here. It's very nice, very quiet as well. We're currently in Jamaica, so we haven't had hardly any construction. We haven't heard any construction noise. So yeah, that's a room tour of Caribbean Beach in Jamaica.